Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how the historical data sync feature works in QB Sync made easy. Go to Salesforce and open the app launcher. Search for QB Sync made easy and open the application. Now navigate to the setup page. Before starting the historical sync, make sure your QuickBooks company has been added successfully and connected with Salesforce. Next, navigate to Object and Field Mapping. Here, configure the mappings between your QuickBooks objects and Salesforce objects. You can use the default mapping option or create custom mappings based on your business requirements. Once the mappings are configured, click Save All. Now click Save and Sync. After clicking Save and Sync, review the terms and conditions. Agree to the terms and conditions, and then click Start Sync. The historical sync process will begin automatically. You can monitor the sync progress in real time through the completion percentage displayed on the screen. Once the process is complete, verify that your QuickBooks records have been successfully synchronized to Salesforce. And that's how you can use the historical data sync feature in QB Sync made easy to bring your existing QuickBooks data into Salesforce.